14 people have succumbed to COVID-19 related complications in the last 24 hours, raising the death toll to 413. And with the virus still registering double-digit fatalities daily, the government has now resolved to boost its testing capacity by setting up testing centers across counties at a time when the African continent crossed the 1 million mark in COVID infections.
In his daily brief held at the Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital today, Health CS Mutahi Kagwe admitted to challenges in testing, revealing plans to upscale the government's capacity and set up testing centers across the counties with the hope of reducing the turnaround time for medication to COVID-19 patients and hopefully save more lives.
We know that the demand is huge, and the idea of going all the way to Kisumu, taking samples there, I know that is a big challenge. So we are trying to place as many centers as possible.
The country's caseload rose to 25,158 after 727 out of the 6,814 samples that were tested in the last 24 hours turned positive. 674 people recovered, with 125 of them from the home-based care program, pushing the recovery toll to 11,118. This at the backdrop of a worrying revelation by the World Health Organization that COVID-19 infections in Africa have topped the 1 million mark 6 months after the continent recorded its first case in Egypt. WHO has, however, offered assistance to decentralized testing, tracing, isolation and treatment. Africa has recorded 690,000 recoveries while registering 22,000 deaths since February, even as government agencies in Kenya call for strict adherence to the set safety protocols.
We have closed some bars and we have taken some licenses. And some of them for sure, as His Excellency the President directed, we will take licenses for good. Tusijaze na maneno ya maisha ya watu wetu namna hii.
Meanwhile, University of Nairobi lecturer Ken Ouko was today laid to rest at his home in Kachin, Homa Bay County, while Marina War, the nurse who also succumbed to COVID-19 in Kisii, was interred at her home in Nyang'ela village within the same county. Laura Otieno, Citizen TV.